Every month brings new headlines, but August has a way of slipping by with quiet financial changes that many retirees never notice until they have already lost time, missed an opportunity, or faced an unexpected expense. The truth is that not every update affecting older Americans comes with a big announcement or flashing alert. Some arrive as routine notices, small policy adjustments, changes in payment schedules, banking updates, healthcare reminders, or financial deadlines that seem unimportant at first glance. Yet those small details can have a real impact on your monthly budget, your retirement savings, and even the benefits you've worked so hard to earn over a lifetime. Missing just one important update could mean unnecessary stress, delayed payments, higher costs, or simply leaving money on the table without realizing it. That is exactly why staying informed has become just as important as saving money itself. In today's video, we're going to walk through 3 important money changes seniors should know about this August. These are not rumors or sensational stories designed to create fear. They are practical topics that deserve attention because they affect everyday financial life in ways that are often overlooked. We'll talk about benefit-related updates that deserve a second look, banking changes that could quietly affect your savings, and healthcare-related financial details that many people don't think about until they receive an unexpected bill. Along the way, you'll also learn a simple habit that takes only a few minutes each month but could help protect your income, reduce costly mistakes, and give you greater confidence about your finances. Many people assume that once retirement begins, their financial responsibilities become smaller, but the opposite is often true. Retirement requires paying closer attention to official notices, account activity, healthcare costs, and benefit information because even a small oversight can become an expensive problem later. One letter left unopened, one account left unchecked, or one deadline forgotten can create challenges that are much easier to prevent than to fix. That is why the final change we'll discuss may turn out to be the most valuable one of all, because it has the potential to help you protect every dollar you've already earned. Even if you believe everything is running smoothly right now, the information you'll hear today could help you avoid problems that thousands of seniors encounter every year without expecting them. Staying informed is not about worrying over every headline. It's about recognizing which updates actually matter and knowing what simple steps to take before they become bigger issues. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what deserves your attention this August, what can safely be ignored, and what actions may help strengthen your financial security moving forward. So stay with us all the way to the end, because each section builds on the last, and the final advice could be the easiest way to protect your retirement from unnecessary surprises. Welcome to Walter Barron, Vertical Bar Finance Alert, where we help seniors stay informed with clear, practical financial updates that matter. If you're new here and want straightforward information to help you make smarter money decisions, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. The first money change is one that often receives very little attention, even though it affects millions of retirees every single month. August is a smart time to take a close look at your Social Security information, not because everyone should expect a new benefit or a larger payment, but because this is when many people begin reviewing notices, checking their accounts, and preparing for the months ahead. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is assuming that no news means everything is fine. In reality, important information is often delivered through official letters or secure online messages that are easy to overlook. These notices may explain changes to your personal record, confirm important account details, provide updates about payment processing, or ask you to review information connected to your benefits. Ignoring these messages does not make them disappear. It simply increases the chance that a small issue will become a much larger problem later. That is why taking a few minutes to carefully read every official Social Security notice can save both time and frustration. Another important step is verifying that your direct deposit information is still correct. Many retirees rely on Social Security as their primary source of monthly income, so even a simple banking error can create unnecessary stress. If you recently changed banks, opened a new checking account, or updated your financial information, make sure those changes were processed correctly. Double-check your routing number and account number if you made any recent updates, and always confirm that your payment arrives exactly when expected. Payment dates can vary depending on your birth date and benefit type, and understanding your personal schedule helps you recognize problems quickly if a deposit is delayed. At the same time, scammers continue targeting older Americans by pretending to represent the Social Security Administration. Some send text messages claiming your benefits have been suspended. Others send emails asking you to verify personal information or click suspicious links. Some even make phone calls using official-looking caller ID information. These scams are becoming more convincing every year, but one simple rule can help protect you. Never trust an unexpected message asking for sensitive personal or financial information. If you are unsure about any communication, contact the Social Security Administration through official channels instead of responding to the message you received. Another habit worth building is checking your online Social Security account every so often. Reviewing your payment history, personal details, and account information allows you to spot errors before they become difficult to correct. It also gives you confidence that your records are accurate and your benefits are being managed properly. Spending just a few minutes reviewing your account can prevent hours of paperwork and phone calls later. Missing a simple notice can create weeks of unnecessary stress. But Social Security isn't the only place seniors could lose money. Healthcare is another area where small expenses quietly grow over time. Many retirees naturally pay close attention to their monthly Medicare premium because it is one of the most visible healthcare costs they see. However, focusing only on that single number can hide several other expenses that slowly reduce a retirement budget throughout the year. August is an excellent time to review how much you are actually spending on healthcare before the annual enrollment season begins. Many insurance plans send reminders, coverage updates, or informational notices during the middle of the year. These may include changes to prescription coverage, pharmacy networks, or available health services that could affect your costs later. Reading these documents carefully now gives you more time to understand your options instead of rushing through decisions later in the year. Prescription medication deserves special attention because prices do not always remain the same. A medicine that cost one amount several months ago could now cost more, while another pharmacy may offer the exact same prescription at a lower price. Many seniors continue using the same pharmacy simply because they have always gone there, without realizing another nearby location could provide meaningful savings. Comparing pharmacy prices once in a while may seem like a small task, but even modest monthly savings can add up over 12 months. Preventive health care is another area many people underestimate. Routine screenings, wellness visits, and recommended preventive services are designed to identify health concerns before they become more serious and expensive to treat. Delaying these appointments may seem harmless, but early detection often reduces future medical costs while helping maintain better overall health. August is also a good reminder to begin paying attention to information about the upcoming Medicare enrollment period. Even if you are satisfied with your current coverage, reviewing available information early gives you time to compare plans, understand possible changes, and prepare questions before enrollment begins. Rushed decisions often lead to unnecessary expenses that continue for months. Small improvements made today can produce noticeable savings over an entire year, helping your retirement income stretch further without making major lifestyle changes. What if the biggest money leak isn't your healthcare bill at all? The answer may actually be sitting inside your bank account. Many retirees opened their savings accounts years ago and rarely think about them again. Unfortunately, banks regularly update interest rates, account features, fraud protection systems, and savings products, while customers often leave their money untouched without checking whether it is still working as effectively as possible. One of the easiest financial reviews you can perform is looking at the interest rate your savings account currently pays. If that rate is very low, your money may not be keeping pace with inflation, meaning its purchasing power slowly declines over time even though the balance appears unchanged. Inflation quietly increases the cost of groceries, utilities, insurance, and everyday necessities, while savings earning very little gradually lose real value. Depending on your financial goals, it may also be worth exploring whether a certificate of deposit could provide a better return on money you do not need immediately. Every situation is different, but knowing your options allows you to make informed decisions instead of simply accepting whatever your current account offers. Fraud prevention is another reason to review your banking relationship regularly. Criminals continue developing new methods to target retirees through fake phone calls, text messages, emails, and account alerts designed to steal personal information or gain access to financial accounts. Checking recent transactions, enabling account alerts, and immediately reporting suspicious activity can significantly reduce the risk of financial loss. It is also a good time to review automatic payments that leave your account every month. Subscription services, forgotten memberships, or recurring charges can continue for years without being noticed. Even small monthly deductions become surprisingly expensive when added together over an entire year. Credit card statements deserve the same careful attention. Rising interest charges, annual fees, or unexpected expenses may be costing more than expected, especially if balances are carried from month to month. Finally, make sure your emergency savings remain accessible. Having funds available for unexpected home repairs, medical expenses, or family emergencies provides financial flexibility without relying on expensive borrowing. Taking time to review these areas now helps protect both your savings and your peace of mind. And this is where many retirees unknowingly lose hundreds of dollars every year. One simple habit can tie all of these financial areas together and dramatically reduce the chance of unpleasant surprises. Set aside just 15 minutes once each month for a personal financial review. Choose the same day every month so it becomes part of your routine. During those few minutes, confirm that your benefit deposits arrived correctly. Read any official notices you received, review your current prescriptions and healthcare expenses, verify that automatic payments are still accurate, look through recent bank activity for anything unusual, and make sure your important online accounts remain protected with strong, updated passwords. This routine does not require special financial knowledge or complicated planning. It simply creates a regular opportunity to catch small problems before they grow into expensive ones. Most financial setbacks do not begin with major emergencies. They begin with overlooked details that remain unnoticed for weeks or months. A consistent monthly review helps you stay informed, organized, and confident that every dollar you've worked so hard to earn is being protected. Financial security during retirement is about much more than waiting for a monthly payment to arrive. It's about paying attention to the small details that protect the income you've worked your entire life to earn. Today, we've covered 3 important areas that deserve your attention this August. First, reviewing your Social Security information so you don't miss important notices, payment updates, or warning signs of fraud. Second, taking a closer look at Medicare and healthcare costs, where small changes in prescriptions, pharmacy prices, and plan information can make a meaningful difference over time. And third, reviewing your banking and retirement savings to make sure your money is working as hard for you as possible while staying protected from rising fraud risks and unnecessary fees. None of these steps require hours of work, but together they can help prevent costly mistakes that many retirees don't discover until it's too late. The reality is that retirement isn't only about building savings. It's about protecting those savings month after month, year after year. A few minutes spent reviewing your finances today could save you hundreds of dollars and a great deal of stress in the future. Staying informed doesn't mean worrying about every headline. It means knowing which updates truly matter and taking simple actions before small issues become bigger problems. That's one of the smartest habits any retiree can develop, and it brings something that money alone can't buy: greater confidence and peace of mind. Thank you for spending your time with us today. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like it, because it helps more seniors discover information that could protect their finances. Share this video with a friend, family member, or fellow retiree who could benefit from these updates, because one simple reminder could save someone from an expensive mistake. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss important updates about Social Security, Medicare, retirement, taxes, banking, and other money news that matters to seniors. We'll be back soon with more practical information to help you protect your retirement and make every dollar count. Until next time, take care, stay informed, and stay financially strong.